Alright, we gotta weld this other piece here. Do weld this. This. It's gonna get this railing. It's gonna get welded on there, and again that little piece. Railing is secure to weld it back together. On. Just gonna weld these two plates. Both sides be done. There. Put that pass up there overhead welding. Welding in the field. Big welding in the field, yeah. Big welding in the field. Welding in the field, yeah. Keep welding in the field. 70-18, keeping it real. Slag shall come off, straight and peel. Come down 60-10, pass through real. La 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 la.
Never give up. Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. It's not easy. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship.
Gonna try to replace this. This got broke off. Bottom of the post. Clean this one up. I'm gonna replace this one as well. This arm broke off. They got hit by a oil tanker. Try to clean this up. Nice and clean. And try to put this back together. See what we got. Well, this pretty tight back together. The earthquake crack. Feel not too bad with that. Okay. Trying to get the arms off and level from both sides. Making sure everything is square. So, sitting pretty level on that side, on the ground, as to where it is on this side on the ground. Everything else is looking pretty good. See here. That's looking like splits off in two. Pretty good, guys. Level. Side is off just a little bit. It's not bad. We live with it. Okay, did the inspection on the store. The door is not closing properly. We went to put this here. And I know that I have to modify and fix up the hitch to get the hitch to work out properly. You see that? It needs to be tightened and addressed. Probably some new holes on the hinge and screwed in. All right, bye.